Morning folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm out on the nuke roof today. The purpose of today's ride is not to go riding in the mud. It's more tarmac today, a few trails in there. One of those is the Spa trail between Woodhall Spa and the antique market town of Horncastle, just south of the Lincolnshire Wolds. So in today's ride, it's going to be just a smidgen over 200 kilometres, about 1600 metres of climbing, according to Ride with GPS, but what does it know? It's a beautiful, stunning morning. Look at that sunshine over there, if I move my thumb out of the way. Glorious, absolutely glorious. And it's quite still, there's not much in the way of wind. It's Lincolnshire, it's always there, but there's not much of it today. Pop the route up on screen, shall I? So I'm going to be heading, as you can see, it's a circular route, clockwise, starting from the north-easternmost corner, Cleethorpes, heading out south, although not too much south down the coast, because if you watched my last video, or the one before it, I was moaning a bit that I come quite far south, and why didn't I do the other way around kind of thing, and I've just done it again today, but not so far south. I'm actually heading west now into the Lincolnshire Wolds. And as you can see, it's quite a windy route, taking a few choice hills and things, a little bit of off-road, but not too much, mostly on asphalt. Stopped for a wee. Now, there's a reason why I tell you that. Last few weeks of riding, I've not been drinking enough when I've been riding out, and everybody tells you need to drink a lot of liquids even throughout the winter. And there was a ride a couple of weeks ago, I just didn't drink enough at all, and I had that hungover feeling all the way through Sunday, and even into half of Monday as well. So I'm making sure I drink enough in today's ride and eat enough as well. So yeah, that's why I thought I'd share with you that little bit nugget information. Despite it being winter, make sure you do get plenty to drink, otherwise you will regret it. If it's a regular club ride, maybe 30-40 miles, then just make sure you drink that one water bottle, but when it's anything like a 200, you've just got to keep drinking throughout and eating as well, talking which I'm going to dip in my pocket and grab some food. Anyway, I just stopped here just outside of Six Hills on the van's coming down. Just riding south now, so it's about 45k to the first stop, which I'm going to be stopping again at Hagware, Worthington and JJ's Cafe. So I'm just a little bit under halfway to that first stop, which is about 90k in. So and even though it's not that terribly windy, it is slowing me down quite a lot, and it's quite cold as well. My name is not Paul Green. It's still very high, that little stream. Usually it's like a tiny little trickle. towards Red Hill now, about to go down there. Having just finished the off-road section here in the Wolds, the Lindsay Trail from Manor Hill across to Stennigot. The next bit will be the Spa Trail. God, it is really windy. Didn't realise it was going to be as windy as this, but it is, so I've got to deal with it. One of my favourite descents here in the Lincolnshire Wolds by far. Pass through the area of Goulsby and Astorby. I head towards about to head towards Scamblesby now up Rogate Road. So I had a bit of a thought crossing my mind as I'm not far from Horncastle. And I was just wondering to myself, there's no castle in Horncastle, or was there, or is there? Let me know down in the comments below if you know for yourself why. I guess why it's called Horncastle. Some affinity with this next hill. Which one could it be? Go up and down the same hill 106 times in a single day, you find yourself, when you go there again, you use the brake sparingly. Love these sort of lanes. Especially on a gravel bike. Dirty, narrow, and a big pile of dirt there. My drink alert, 20k. That means I'm now at 80k. Timed it perfectly for lunch, because it's practically 12 o'clock as we speak. Well, I've had my breakfast at Hagwaringham. Big breakfast, cup of tea, and I'm now moved on to Old Bolingbroke and the castle there, Old Bolingbroke Castle. Not much left of it, can't seem to get any closer, it's all fenced off. Maybe there's an entrance somewhere else, I don't know. You know what, set a tent up in here. There we go, that's what it used to look like. It was built in 1220 to 1230. John of Gaunt was the last of his dynasty to live here. There's a little village called John o' Gaunt in Leicestershire. If that's anything to do with this. Well, there we have it, Bolingbroke Castle. Perfect camping grounds. I tell you what though, they've got houses overlooking it, so you'd have to turn your lights off, sneak in, but yeah, right in there. So I'm just on a bit of a gated road heading towards Claxby Pluckacre. Just been stripping off because it's actually got warm now, so I've just been taking my base layer off underneath. And yeah, it reminds me of a few things. It's that time of year, isn't it, where you need to buy new stuff. And these 3/4 length bibs are right to stay, quite embarrassing now. But I've kept them for so long because the damaged quite early on. But I've also just ordered the new gilet. Not the Chappelle, I've gone for something else this time. It's an Enduro one. It's slightly a little bit thicker. Well, this one is absolutely knackered. I've probably had it 2 years now, if not longer. I bought it with the when I did the. I bought it especially for the Transcontinental. So yeah, it's getting on towards 2 years old now. So it's you know, it doesn't sound long, does it? I guess 2 years old, but that's hundreds of rides, thousands of miles, tens of thousands of miles. So yeah, it's about time I bought a new one. Didn't finish what I was saying. The 3/4 length bibs, yeah, I'm going to run them through to the end of winter and then I'm going to burn them, get rid of them, because they're a right mess. No, I don't even show you. You've probably seen them already on camera a few times. I try not to linger the camera on them too long, but yeah, they're going in the bin soon. Back on the trails. Hours later now, got 45k to go, enjoying a lovely tailwind on the way back, just, you know, getting into a groove really, just enjoying it. So I've literally passed Rugby a few minutes ago, stopped at the co-op there, and here's a question for you. If you can, do you try and push your bike inside the shop? I did. It was a co-op, so I figured we've been a national company, usually the staff aren't going to say anything, so I've started doing that recently, you know, just dragging in there. Anyway, yeah, it's about 45k to go, just heading over the Lincolnshire Wolds, well, soon anyway, probably about 40 minutes away, just got to, well, less than that actually. I'm headed over via Walesby, that 10% climb, yes, bit of a bugger that one. Anyway, it's been a good ride. Yeah, like I say, nearly done. Got 6 hills behind me. TLB up next. Basically, I'm skirting along the edge of the Lincolnshire Wolds. I think I'm going to end this video here because it's getting dark. There won't be much to see. So I shall see you in the next one soon as. Take care. Bye bye.